If you're looking for an air conditioner that will definitely freeze you out of your rig, this is the unit for you. If you're looking for a robust application that looks great on the back of your vehicle, this may be the application for you. If you are trying to fit a price point, if you're using a 12-volt electrical system, this may be the right air conditioner for you. And then individually, with my phone, I can turn them on and off. I have this in my Global Expedition vehicle. It was installed a year ago. I left Phoenix to drive to Colorado, and I had my dog with me. We need to be able to cool down the cab for the dog because we have the engine heat, we have the window heat. We threw one of the samples in last minute. This thing will freeze you out. I wanted to develop a split system because a split system is more efficient in high temperature environments during the day. The evaporator doesn't heat up from the sun in the middle of the day because it's split and it's inside the environment of your vehicle. This is the condenser. The compressor's in here. The 12-volt fan is here. This is powder coated black. This will actually sit upright on the vehicle. In a Sprinter van, it would be mounted to your molly panel or to your back door. Anything that has a box construction, you can mount it on the back or even the side of the vehicle.
So I'm Diego with ADV Mobil, and we're in our truck number 13. This is our shop truck, our show vehicle. We're currently in the dinette area, and back here we have our Nomadic Cooling mini split mounted to the wall.
So these two things are separated from each other. The advantage of that is this will not get heated up when it's outside in a 120-degree day in direct sunlight.
The compressor and the radiator on the outside of the wall, and then we go straight through the wall on the back here to give you a really good setup.
Hey guys, Dustin with Overland Van Project here. We've got our F550 Metolius layout behind me. This is an epic rig. It's got some unique features that you're not gonna see on a lot of the other F550s and 5500s out there. And we also have the Nomadic S1 that's cooling the whole thing, cranking all day, and the solar is more than out competing it because it's so efficient. So let's take a look.
You can see how small this unit is, and it cools down this whole box. You guys, it's almost bolt-on. It really is. It's super easy to install. There's no hassle with it. It's efficient.
We actually have everything tucked into the back of the rig. The spare tire in a recessed pan, so we're not adding any length. It's got some UV protection. And then our Nomadic S1 exterior unit right here in a pan, tucked in, makes it more efficient. Also, it doesn't protrude off the back. So if you're backing into something, you hit a tree, this is all durable aluminum, right? It's not gonna hit your unit.
These are all run on batteries, so efficiency is really an important factor when you're considering something like this. It's a drastic difference, especially out here in like Colorado, no shade, no trees. You're out in the middle of the desert. It's a welcome treat.
Maximum cooling capacity. This is gonna come across very loud on camera. Remember that this fan is outside and you can't hear this fan at all. This is a long axial fan. It's the quietest fan that we have. And coming out of the unit right now is 37, 36 degrees coming out of the unit. Compressor's not on currently, using 2 amps at 14 volts, and the fan is all the way up. You can barely hear this thing. And if I take the fan down to its lowest level, I mean, you really can't hear this thing at all. You know, are you going to the super hot, you need to work out of your vehicle all day in those extreme temperatures, you know, the split system may be the right option for you because of the low power consumption and the higher cooling that you will receive in the middle of the day in direct sunlight.
Really cool. Yeah, it's freaking, I'm gonna turn this up a little bit. You have a built-in heating system that runs on propane. And you also have a Nomadic Cooling air conditioning system that will run up to 8 hours with this 5 kilowatt power system. And the air conditioning is running right now. And if this camera had Cool-O-Vision, you would know how cool it is inside of that trailer. And you can see the compressor portion of the unit is right on the outside. We were trying to find a system because of the roof, rack out roof. We didn't want something that was actually on the roof. So it's a warm day here in Springfield, Missouri, but we don't have to worry about it because I'm in here with the Nomadic cooling system.